I have a neat stitch here. It's so much fun to make, and it's easy, really easy. And look, it's like a 3D kind of thing going on there. So on this one I use, I think, almost like 2 larger sizes needles than what the yarn calls for. This is a worsted yarn, and I'm using 10.5 US needles, which is the same as 6.5 millimeters. So see, I'm using larger needles. And here on this one, this is a baby yarn, and I am using a size 7 US needles, which is the same as 4.5, and you can see that it really looks 3D, but it doesn't show too much, see, but it looks pretty anyway. So let me show you how to do this. This is a 4-row repeat, and it's really easy and fun to make. Okay, the first one and the last one we're going to knit, and this is on an even number of stitches. So the first one we knit. Now on the first stitch we're going to knit, and on the next one we're going to knit that stitch and bring the yarn through the loop at the bottom. See it? And then we can take it off. So let's do that again. We're going to knit one and then knit the next one, bringing your needle through the bottom loop, like there. Of course, the first row had to be knitted, so like that you have the base on where to go through that bottom. So knit one, and then the next one you knit and bring your needle through the bottom of the loop right there. So knit one, and the next one you knit, but when you take it off you go with your needle and pick up the bottom loop. So knit one and pick up the bottom loop. Knit one and pick up the bottom loop, and I'll see you at the end of this row. So row number 1, you're going to knit one and bringing it through the bottom loop, and then knit one at the end. So row number 2, knit one and then knit these 2 stitches together, knit one and knit the 2 strands together, knit one, knit the 2 strands together, and you do that until the end. You're going to end with knit the 2 strands together, knit and knit. Row number 3, you are going to knit one. You always knit the first and the last one, and then you can see which one has the double strand. See it? So that means this one doesn't have the double strand, and you're going to knit and bring back through the bottom loop. So knit one and knit and bring back through the bottom loop. Knit one and knit the next one, but coming back from the back to the front through the bottom loop. Knit one and knit this one coming back through the bottom loop. Knit one and knit the next one coming back through the bottom loop, and I'll see you at the end of this row. Okay, I'm at the end of row number 3. I knit and bring back to the bottom loop, then knit one and knit one, and then row number 4 is going to be knit the first and the last one, and that's a regular knit, and I knit these two together. Regular knit and knit these two together. Regular knit and knit these two, and that's it. Isn't it interesting? It's amazing the amount of stitches that you can make. Amazing. This will look very nice on placemats. Even a washcloth with cotton yarn, it would be really fast to knit, and it would be like a little bit of scrub there. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. The 3D. Very interesting. Cute.